The world of money has been evolving for centuries, from bartering to coins, paper money, and eventually digital banking. We've seen major transformations. Now, we're witnessing another leap forward, the rise of cryptocurrency. It's a digital form of money that's shaking up traditional finance, offering faster transactions, lower fees, and a global reach. But how did we get here? And why are so many people talking about it? Let's dive into the basics and discover what makes cryptocurrency such a groundbreaking innovation. At its core, cryptocurrency is digital money designed to work like traditional currencies, but with one major difference. It operates on a decentralized system. Unlike the dollars or euros in your bank, cryptocurrencies aren't controlled by any government or financial institution. They exist solely online and are powered by cutting-edge technology. Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, introduced the world to this concept in 2009. Today, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies, each with its own features and uses. But what powers these digital currencies? Enter the blockchain. Think of the blockchain as the backbone of cryptocurrency. It's a digital ledger that records every transaction made with a specific cryptocurrency. Here's the key. This ledger isn't stored in one place. It's shared across a network of computers, making it nearly impossible to alter or hack. Every time someone sends or receives cryptocurrency, it's recorded as a new block and added to the chain. This decentralized and transparent system ensures that transactions are secure, traceable, and free from manipulation. Blockchain isn't just for cryptocurrencies, it has the potential to revolutionize many industries. From finance to supply chain management, healthcare, and even voting systems, the possibilities are vast. Because blockchain is transparent, secure, and decentralized, it could solve many modern problems like reducing fraud, increasing trust in transactions, and improving data security. It's still early days, but many believe blockchain could reshape entire industries, much like the internet did in the 90s. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was introduced by a mysterious figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. No one knows who Nakamoto really is, an individual or a group, but their invention has had a profound impact. Bitcoin promised a way for people to exchange value without needing a trusted third party like a bank. Today, Bitcoin is seen as digital gold, with many people using it as a store of value and others trading it for profits. As the pioneer, Bitcoin set the stage for the thousands of cryptocurrencies that followed. Bitcoin may have started the crypto revolution, but it didn't end there. Other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple have expanded the horizon. Ethereum introduced the idea of smart contracts, which are self-executing agreements without the need for middlemen. Each new cryptocurrency brings unique features, from faster transaction times to lower fees and enhanced privacy. This diversity has turned the cryptocurrency market into a vibrant ecosystem, offering a range of digital assets for different needs. Creating your cryptocurrency wallet is a crucial step in your crypto journey. Think of it as your digital bank account, where you store, send, and receive your coins. There are different types of wallets. Hot wallets, which are connected to the internet and great for quick access, and cold wallets, which are offline and offer enhanced security. To set up a wallet, choose a reputable provider. Some popular options include Coinbase, Exodus, and Ledger. Once you've selected your wallet, follow the setup instructions carefully. You'll generate a unique public address for receiving funds and a private key that you must keep secret. Losing your private key means losing access to your crypto, so treat it like a password to a vault. Remember, always enable two-factor authentication for added security. With your wallet ready, You're now equipped to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency transactions. Security is crucial when dealing with cryptocurrency because it's digital and decentralized. Once your crypto is stolen, it's nearly impossible to recover. That's why you must take precautions. Always use strong, unique passwords for your wallets and exchanges. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. Consider using a cold wallet for storing larger amounts of cryptocurrency, as it's less vulnerable to hacks. And most importantly, never share your private keys, the code that gives access to your wallet. By taking these steps, you'll keep your digital assets safe. Investing in cryptocurrency can be exciting, but it's not without risks. The market is highly volatile, meaning prices can skyrocket or plummet in a matter of hours. While some have made fortunes, others have faced significant losses. It's important to do thorough research before investing. Understand the cryptocurrency's purpose, its team, and market potential. And never invest more than you can afford to lose. The rewards can be great, but the risks are equally high. Now that you've learned the basics, you're ready to start navigating the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you want to invest, trade, or simply explore how blockchain technology could shape the future, there are countless resources available. Join online communities, follow credible news sources, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with market trends. Cryptocurrency is still a young and evolving space, but it's growing fast. With the right knowledge and tools, you can confidently explore this digital frontier. Happy crypto journey!